Hello and welcome back, students. In this video, we will solve this example, which will be related to profit. Now, again, we will assume that the number of items sold, which usually we denote it by X, is linearly related to the profit B, which means the relation between X and B can be represented as a linear equation. So the graph will be a line. Question A, if 200 units sold results in 4,100 profits. So the first information, if X is 200, the profit will be 4,100. And if X is a 350 units, the profit will be 6,500 profits. The question is we need to write the profit function for this company. Usually with this kind of a question, I always advise you to have a little bit of a sketch so that you understand what's going on. What do I mean by a sketch? We open a new page here, and now you need to sketch the x-axis, and we have the profit would be on the y-axis. So this is the profit. Now, we just recall that if x is 200, the profit is 4,100. So if X is 200 here, the profit will be $4,100. So we have this point up here. Now, if the profit is a 350, the profit will be 6,500, which is again, we get another point, which is here. Now, in the question, it says that those are linearly related. So there must be a line passing through them and will continue in that direction. We need to find the equation of this line. What is the equation for this line? Why do we need the equation of this line? Because the company and the management in the company, they need to know if they sell 500, what they would expect as a profit. Or if they reduce the sale to 100, what will be the profit? Or if something like 275, they need to know exactly what's the profit, so they need to find the equation. Now, in order to find the equation, we notice that the line, is passing through the points. So if we want to have it in the same language as our previous examples, through the points, what are the points? 200, 4,100, and 350, 6,500. Those are the 2 points. Now, if we have 2 points, how can we find the slope? Well, the slope is m equal y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, which will be 6,500 minus 4 over 350 minus 200. Here we'll have 150. In the top, we will have this number here, 2,400 divided by 150. And that would give me only 16. All right. Now, if we have 16 as the slope, so the equation of the line, the profit function, will be y minus y1 equal the slope x minus x1. Now, this is y minus, what is y1? y1 is 4,100. The slope is just 16 times x minus x1 is 200. Of course, we need just to write it down in the same way it was given to us. So if we take y equal y minus will be 16x minus, if we multiply 16 by 200, 3,200. And now y alone will be 16x plus 900. So p of x, the profit function, is equal to 16x plus 900. And now, if we just change the quantity x, we will know exactly what will be the profit. And that's the solution for part A. Now, for part B, we need to interrupt the slope. Okay, now remember, for part B, remember the slope, m, equals 16, which, by the way, it is 16 over 1. This means for every one item sold, we get $16 profit. So that's why the slope is very powerful tool to tell you the exact information. If we just move one item more, we get $16 more. For one item, we get $16 profit. That's why the slope and interpretation of the slope is so important and so